Here's exactly how you can add your AI assistants from Cassidy directly into Slack. Let me show you. The first thing we'll do is in Cassidy, you'll want to head to the Assistants tab and select the assistant that you want to deploy to Slack. So I've got Sprinter Software Group General Assistant. That's the one that I want to deploy. I'm in its settings and I click External Deployments and then here, Deploy to Slack. Now, I can change the icon, the display name, and the description. So in other words, I can change how it's displayed and how it appears in Slack. I'm going to go with the default and click Create Slack Deployment. It'll just take a minute to build the bot, and I'll come back when it's done. All right, looks like it's been successfully created. Now I can click Deploy to Slack, and it'll prompt me to log in if I haven't logged in already. So I'll allow it and give it the authorization that it needs. And it's been successfully deployed. So if I go into my Slack and in the general channel, I can add it to the channel by @mentioning based on the name that we selected before. So Sprinter Software Group General Assistant, you'll see that it's not in the channel yet. But if I @mention it and click enter, it's going to prompt me to add it to the channel first. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. And now every time that I @mention this bot, it's going to respond just like it would in Cassidy. So I can say something like, give me an overview of our sales process, and then @mention Sprinter Software Group General Assistant, send message. And so it's going to go ahead and start replying. So you can see it's responding now, and we'll just give it a sec to receive the response. All right, looks like it just came in. And so we've got the response, plus it still cites its sources just like it would within Cassidy's app. Now, if we head to DMs, you can also DM these bots. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new chat, and I will address it again to the same bot. And now I can ask something like, where is our sales script for one of our products, Legal Sprinter? Go ahead and ask that question, and it's going to work the exact same way that I just showed you. So here we go. Once again, it was able to find that sales script and cited source, and we are taken directly to where it was from. So that's an overview of how you can bring your Cassidy assistants into Slack, whether that's through channels or direct messages. As always, if you have questions about how to set these up or just questions in general, feel free to reach out to us through the Intercom support chat. It's right here in the bottom right of the app.